What's up guys, it's MartyBlendz and we're back with another tutorial. And today we have a flawless high fade to go over, so let's go. With the number 3, run your clipper against the grain. Make sure to go over multiple times to make sure everything is cut nice and equal. Now with your brush, comb everything down and set in your first baseline. Make sure not to tap too hard into the scalp as you can leave a harsh line. You now want to remove everything underneath the baseline you just created. For a cleaner look, bring in your preferred shaver and run it all around to remove all the stubble left behind. With your clipper fully open, create a 4-inch guideline. Close it up fully now and hit the guideline you just made halfway through. Using a trimmer, use the front side of the blade to remove anything in between the line you just made. Keep in mind you may need to be hitting it how I am because of how thick the hair may be. Now open up the lever gradually as you go up. With the half guard halfway open, create a 1/2-inch guideline all around. Open it up fully and create another 1/2-inch guideline. Using the number 1 open, make sure to remove any line above that last step. With the 1.5, go up about another 1/2 inch. If you have to play around with the lever, go ahead and close it up a tad. To finish off with the dark area, use the number 2 to blend any line you see up top. And as you can see, I'm combing it down because I want to make sure I get every single little hair. This is a little tip, but if you can see, I tend to use blending shears to make sure I have absolutely no lines within the darkness. Always shoot for the best quality and make sure not to ignore small details. Finally, open up the lever and hit that last bottom line you're able to see. Guys, if you happen to be wondering where to get these guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com. Also, just to mention, I truly appreciate the support and much love to everybody who keeps up to date with the channel. To line up, I make sure I lay down the hair and spray down a light coat of hairspray. This will allow you to get every single little speck of hair. Guys, in this case, I am using the hair fibers to fill in the hairline. Remember, there's nothing wrong with enhancing a haircut. As for beards, I have a full tutorial coming on how to fade and line up, so stay tuned for that because it's been highly requested. And guys, here you have the final product. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to like and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Again, I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.